guys, my name is Jennifer Ford. I'm the cafeteria manager at Newman Smith High School. Summer is officially here, and if you're looking for an awesome snack that's also healthy, I've got you covered. The ingredients you'll need to make this recipe is pre-made sugar cookie dough, vanilla Greek yogurt, your favorite fresh berries, and a little bit of honey. We're starting with the time-saving hack, pre-made sugar cookie dough. Shape your cookie on your pan, cool it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. That way it keeps its shape in the oven. After that, you're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 350 for about 15 minutes until it's that beautiful golden brown. So we're using a vanilla Greek yogurt as our frosting. It's creamy, sweet, and it packs a great protein punch to keep your energy up. Now for the best part, the toppings. Load it up with strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, or whatever fruit sounds good to you today. Then finish it off with a sweet little drizzle of fresh honey. Now slice it up and share it with your friends.
All right.